Choosing the best car battery in 2025 can be confusing with so many types and options. Whether you're looking for lead-acid, AGM, or lithium, we've got you covered. Stick around as we compare the top batteries to help you make the best choice for your vehicle. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DieHard Platinum. If you're looking for a reliable standard lead-acid car battery, the DieHard Platinum series stands out as one of the best. It features stamped grid design technology, which enhances the durability and strength of both the positive and negative grids compared to cheaper alternatives. This design not only improves performance, but also ensures long-lasting reliability. DieHard Platinum batteries have earned a solid reputation among users, including PTR crew members, thanks to their dependability. Additionally, they come with a generous 4-year automatic replacement warranty, adding extra peace of mind. For those seeking a high-quality, durable battery, the DieHard Platinum is a top contender. Number 2. EverStart Maxx. For those on a tighter budget, EverStart batteries from Walmart are a solid option. Their entry-level models are affordable, with many options priced under $100 to get your car running. However, if you're looking for something more reliable, the Maxx series is a better choice. Priced over $130, the Maxx series has proven to perform well, even in hot climates like Florida summers. It comes with a 3-year free replacement warranty that can be claimed at your local Walmart, reducing the risk. If you encounter an issue, Walmart will test the battery, and if it's faulty, they'll replace it on the spot. For reliability and value, the EverStart Maxx 6 series is a top pick. Number 3. Odyssey Extreme. When it comes to the best overall AGM car battery, the competition is tight between Odyssey Extreme and Optima RedTop. Both brands offer exceptional performance, but Odyssey edges ahead with its superior design technology. While Optima tends to be a more affordable option, Odyssey stands out due to its use of 99% pure lead in its plates, rather than the alloys commonly found in other batteries. This unique approach allows for smaller plates, meaning there's more surface area for chemical reactions, resulting in twice the power and 3 times the expected lifespan compared to standard lead-acid batteries. For longevity and performance, the Odyssey Extreme takes the lead. Number 4. Optima RedTop. It didn't take long for professionals to swap out their traditional sealed lead-acid starting and deep-cycle batteries for Optima's unique design. Although they have an unconventional physical appearance compared to traditional batteries, their spiral cell design has been field-tested and proven to offer exceptional performance. This design significantly increases vibration resistance, up to 15 times greater, and extends the service life up to 3 times longer than standard batteries. Among their offerings, the RedTop and YellowTop models are ideal for cars and trucks. The RedTop stands out as the best AGM car battery for the money, striking the perfect balance between reliability and cost. It may not be the cheapest option, but its consistent performance makes it an excellent value for those prioritizing long-term reliability. Number 5. Dakota Lithium LTO Automotive Cranking. After years of safety concerns, I'm finally convinced that lithium car batteries have reached a point where they can be recommended. The Dakota LTO Automotive Cranking Battery is the best lithium option available. This lightweight battery offers a high cold cranking amps rating and a wider operating temperature range than many other lithium batteries. One standout feature is the built-in jump-starting reserve, which preserves 25% of the battery's capacity for emergencies. With lithium titanium oxide (LTO) technology, it delivers up to 10,000 charge cycles and comes with an impressive 11-year warranty. This is a huge leap from the typical 500 cycles of traditional lead-acid batteries. The downsides include a limited range of compatible group sizes and the need for a lithium-specific charger, but it's still an excellent choice for long-term reliability. So, which is the best? After testing, the Odyssey Extreme takes the crown with its unmatched durability, high reserve capacity, and excellent performance. It's the top choice for reliable starting power and longevity.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.